There's something about being out here that makes the noise stop. No notifications, no opinions, no version of yourself you have to perform for anyone. And I think that's what most blokes are missing. Not more advice, not another productivity hack, just space. Space to hear yourself think without the world immediately telling you what to think instead. The opinions of people who aren't building anything shouldn't cost you anything. But somewhere along the way, most of us started paying a heavy price for them. What would you do differently if nobody was watching?